So myself and a dear writing friend decided that to-do lists, while helpful, are actually shockingly demoralizing. And while I've learned some interesting information that helps motivate me while doing to-do lists, we decided to create bingo cards for our monthly to-do lists, which is shockingly motivating when you're trying to get bingo at least once in a month. The very first month I did this was in November, and I put all of my goals kind of like at the very top with stretch goals at the bottom, and I ended up getting like 4 or 5 bingos. In December, because of starting a new job and getting sick at the very end of the month, I didn't get a single bingo. It was very sad, even though I got a lot done that month. So I decided to start sharing what my monthly to-do list looks like. So here is my bingo card for January 2026. And if you'd like to join me in gamifying your to-do list with a bingo card, you can go down into my description and join my mailing list. It's completely free, and you'll get a free download of 12 months of bingo cards that I've created. So in the month of January and the month of December, I've been much more intentional about putting everything on my bingo card in a kind of just random hodgepodge sort of way. I didn't want to incentivize myself into doing any one thing, and really just wanted to kind of randomly place things on there and hopefully just be able to accidentally stumble myself into a bingo this month. In the B column, I have Fields of Mystria Video 1, 2025 Reading Wrap-Up, long video, Fields of Mystria Episode 2, finish the front right of my jacket project, write A Poison for Her Future, ×1. In the I column, I have August Book Royalties video, a video on accepting criticism, live stream number 2, a Kanban board how-to, and July book royalties. In the N column, I have Polygonal video 1, writing Intrigue and Betrayal, my free space, Polygonal video number 2, and the evolution of the Deals of the Damned series. In the G column, I have December 2026 goals check-in, my quarter 1 goals, I have December 2025 goals check-in, quarter 1 goals, Sims 4 gameplay, yes, no, maybe, July through December reading wrap-up, and writing The Aged Bride retelling. And finally, in the O column, I have write A Poison for Her Future, number 2, my AI pledge, June book royalties, Stardew Valley, start recording, and live stream number 1. I think quite a few of these are achievable, and I'm looking forward to seeing how much I can get done in the next month.
Also, some of it is already done as of recording this.
Anyway, thanks for joining me. Let me know what's on your to-do list this month. And if you liked this video, hit that like button. I'll see you next time.